Hi, good morning everyone. Today I am going to discuss. Hi, hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss about data types. Data types in Python. Okay, before that I am opening the Python online compiler. It will be easy to executing here. Okay, now it's good, right? Okay, now we will discuss data types. Data. What is data? Data means it can be many forms like including text, images, audio, and video. And coming to data type, we have integer, float, character. Integer means like to store the numbers 0 to 9. For an example, 67 like that. Coming to float, to store the decimal values 0 to 9. We have like 67.45 like that. Char means to store characters. It means like A to Z, small to A to Z or capital A to Z. For an example, Sriram here it is there, right? Like and coming to what are the data types available in Python? Python supports six types of data types: number, string, list, tuple, dictionary, set. Okay. Before moving to the data types, I want to discuss variable. First, what is variable and use of variables? Variables are used to store data and we can reuse. By using variable, we can provide value with descriptive name so it can understood more clearly by the reader. If you share a value across program through variable, it is easy to update the value. Okay. In the next lessons, we will discuss more clearly about the data types also, right? Yeah, now I am going to discuss about number data type. Number data type it is used to store integer values. It means like 0 to 9. For an example, this is the variable name. Here employee ID. In short, I wrote EID equal to 123. EID is a variable name and equal to is the assignment operator. 123 is the value. Okay. EID data type is the number. It is the int data type. How to create a variable with number data type means just we write the variable name here, then we assign assignment operator, then the value. Okay, to print on the console. How to print? By using the print of in between. I mentioned that variable name here. Then to update and append, we can update that value and update and delete also we will do. Okay, let me share. Let me let me show you practically. For an example, here age equal to 25. Okay, here age this is the variable name. Okay, this is the assignment operator. This is the value. Okay, how to print print out that age. Okay, now you will see 25. Okay, we can update once we create it. We can update also. For an example, a is equal to 30. Okay, now again I am printing this print of that age. Now we can see previously it is 25. Now 30. Same variable. Okay, we updated. Now we will delete also del operator by using h print of that age. Okay, it will delete it. Why? Because name is not defined. Already I deleted. Okay, This is about the variables number data type. Now we will discuss about string. What is string? Using string we can store any value, but it should be in single quotes or double quotes. To define a string, how to define a string? Okay, name equal to in between the single quotes or double quotes. Okay, we will write anything in our keyboard, which characters are there, numbers, anything that those are the string we will consider. If string contains double quotes, name one equal to I don't know. If string contains single quotes, okay, I will explain in practically. Okay, string means what? String means in between single quotes or double quotes. That is the string, right? Okay. Now I will explain. I am Jagdish. Okay. Now print out that S. Now you can see I am Jagdish. Now sometimes this A not needed. Okay. How to do? Just like I am Jagdish. Okay. Now it's good. Okay, sometimes it will be like it will be error. Why? Because in between that one only it will be iterate undetermined string literal detected at line number 1. This is the syntax error. Okay. Now it's fine. Okay, this is the string data type. Same, this is also we can update, delete. Okay. Now list. Coming to the list. List is used to store multiple values, and we can do operation on each value based on index. Using square brackets we can create a list. Names equal to Sriram, Ram, Ganesh, these things. How to create a list? Names equal to by using the square brackets. Okay, square brackets in between we will write any string names or integers or float, boolean, everything. I will let me show you practically. For an example, names, by using the square brackets we create that list, right? Name and names we have like Python also one name, and I'm taking number, I'm taking decimal number. This is the collection of the data, multiple values. List is used to store multiple values. Here we will see we have multiple values of that, right? Print off the names. Here we will see, right? Okay. Now to update a particular value, how to do? Okay, this is based on the index. This is the zero index, one index, second, third index. Okay, now I want to print only first index. Only I want to print Python. How to do? Just I mentioned here the index value. Okay, now I want to print last value. Last index here it is what? This, right? Minus one. The same way we will update that one. Python 1, instead of that I want to do I want to update the Java. Instead of Python I want to update Java. Okay, what Java, print off the names. Now you can see Javish, then Java 32. Why? Because I am updated. Okay, the first index I updated the Java. Okay, we will delete that any particular index value. For an example, we'll see del of names. I don't need that. I don't need that index float. I don't integer. I don't need this one 32. Which index it is? 0, 1, 2 is the second index. Now I am printing print of names. Okay, now you will see 32 will be deleted. Okay, to print particular values based on the index. I already said, right. Just now we discussed, right, these topic. Okay, in the same. Coming to the tuple. What is tuple? Tuple is used to store multiple values, and we can do operation on each value based on the index. And tuple is a read-only object, and we can't do update, insert, and delete operations. By using parentheses, we can create a tuple. Okay, how to create a tuple? By using the parentheses. To create a tuple names, here we will see the tuple Sri, Kumar, Balu, Ram. This is the collection of store multiple values. And also tuple doesn't support for item deletion and update. Okay, it is not supporting. Once we create the tuple, we can't do update. Okay, tuple is a read only object. We can't do update, insert, and delete operations. Okay, next, tuple doesn't support for item deletion and updation also. And to delete a total tuple, delete that names. To print particular value based on the index. I will tell you one more time. Here names equal to Ganesh, Ganesh and Python and some number. Okay, this is the tuple. Sorry, tuple is by using creating parentheses, right? Okay, by using the parentheses, creating the tuple. Now print out that values by using that variable name. Created. I printed that one, right? Now based on the index, we will, for an example, 0, 1, second index I want to print. Just Python is printed, right? Okay. In the same way, once we create the tuple, we can't do update or delete operations. Already we discussed, right? I will show you practically. For an example, delete that print of names. It's showing there. Okay. Why? Because tuple object doesn't support item relation. Okay, and also updation also we can't do. Now all tuple we will delete. That is fine. Name is not defined. Okay, tuple is done. Now discuss about dictionary. Dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. By using dictionary, we can represent data meaningfully. Based on key, we can do operation on each value. And using curly brackets, we can create a dictionary. How to create a dictionary? By using the curly brackets. Employee details. Here, the employee details, employee name Sri and employee ID 36, department name and department ID, age. Okay, this and that. and also update, we will update employee details. Here the key is department name. Department name is IT to what I want to update sales. To delete particular key, how to delete del employee details of that, then particular ID name, key name. To delete total dictionary, how to do delete that, but all that variable name. To print particular key value pair, okay, we will do total dictionary also. I will discuss it one by one. Okay, now dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Dictionary, we can represent data meaningfully, and based on the key we can do operation on each value using curly brackets. We can create a dictionary, right? Now show, I will show you the practical. Here employee details. Okay, by using the curly brackets we created the dictionary, right? Give me a minute. Okay, I'm going to discuss about the dictionary, right? Okay, employee name. Here it is the Sri. Where it is that employee name, employee. Okay, employee name what? Anything. For an example, my name. Okay, next employee ID. Employee ID. Here the value is employee ID is 27, like that, right? Now department name. Department name. What is the department name? IT. Okay. Now department ID. Department ID. What is the department ID here? 46, like that. Now age. Age is what? Age is 24. Okay. These are the details. Employee details. Now I want to print entire dictionary. How to do? Just print off that variable employee details. Now to run it, now we will see everything. Okay, now I want to I need only employee name. How to do? Just print off that employee name. Here we will see employee name. Now we will see. Okay, it's running. Yeah, now we will see. My name is printed. Now I need only department name. How to do? Just the name, that key name. Here the key name is D name, right? Department name. Now IT. Now I want to update that ID. How to do? Just employee details of that D name equal to sales. Okay. Now we will see sales. Okay. Previously it's there. What? Previously it is. I will show you. Previously it is the ID. Now I updated to sales. Okay. Previous the department name is what? IT. Now I updated the department name into sales. Now I executed the same. Here the sales department. Okay. How to delete? Delete also we will do. Del By using the del only we will do. Okay, let me share, let me comment it out. Now print of employee details, all employee details will be printed. Okay, now department name is what? Sales. Here IT is there, but I updated, right? That's the reason it's there. And now I need to delete. I need to delete one thing. Which one I need to delete? Department ID I need to delete. How to do? Just del employee details of that key name. Here the key name is DID, right? Okay, now again I print out that employee detail. Now run. Let me run it. Okay, now we will see. Here the employee name is there, employee name, EID, department name, and here DID is there, department ID is there. Here it's not there. Why? Because I am already deleted here, right? By using the del keyword, it will be deleted. Okay, these are the uh, this is the dictionary. And coming to the set, what is set? Set is used to store unique values. It doesn't contains duplicates values. By using curly brackets, we can create a set. Set doesn't support the indexing. How to create a set? By using the curly braces. Okay, here we will see by using the curly braces, create, and also it doesn't support it doesn't support the indexing. Okay, now let's see employee IDs. Here employee IDs. Okay, 12, 13, and 15. 12 again, 15, 13, 16, 18, and 14. Now we will see print of DIDs. Okay, now execute. Now we will see here how many values are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only we got, right? Here 9, here only 6. It means like what? It set is used to store unique values. It doesn't contain duplicate values. It automatically remove the duplicate values. And set doesn't support the indexing also. Okay, I will show you. Let me show you that one also. Indexing doesn't support. For an example, I want to print 0, 1, 2, second index value. Okay, already we saw right in tuple and list. Here it's not working out. Means set object doesn't subscriptable. It is the type error. Okay, that's it, guys. We can delete that one. We able to delete. Okay, that is option is there. Del EIDs. Now let me run it. EIDs is not defined. Okay, EID is not defined. Name error. Why? Because I'm already deleted this one, right? That's the reason. Okay, that's it, guys, today. And tomorrow I will discuss about the slicing operations, variable operations. Okay, this and all I will, I will explain. Okay, thank you.